I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solve it. If you're looking to enable biometric login for your Barclays account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Barclays app. Launch the Barclays mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Access settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. This is usually represented by gear icon in the top corner of the screen. Step 4. Enable biometric login. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled security or biometric login. Toggle the switch to enable this feature. Step 5. Follow on-screen prompts. After enabling biometric login, follow any additional on-screen instructions to set up your fingerprint or facial recognition. Make sure your device supports this feature. Just a heads up, if you don't see the biometric option, ensure your device's software is up to date. Enjoy the convenience of logging in with just your fingerprint or face.